Hello guys, welcome to STEM Trainers. Today we are going to do a very important topic in trigonometry, that is sine rule or application of sine rule. So let's start. So first is, what is sine rule? So for any triangle ABC, so we have any triangle, it might be right angle triangle, acute angle, obtuse angle, scalene, equilateral, whatever it is. For any triangle ABC, A divided by sine of A equals B divided by sine of B is equal to C divided by sine of C is equal to some constant for any triangle. So this is the sine rule. Or if you can invert the values also. I mean, instead of A by sine A, you can write sine A by small a, sine B by small b, sine C by small c. So that will also be a constant. It's the same thing. Okay. So next. Now that's the sine rule. So sine rule says this is constant. Okay. Next thing. Area of triangle. Now obviously you have studied area of triangle is half base into height. Now this is one more formula that is very important. This will help you in year 1 and year 2 in lot of chapters. So area of triangle can also be written as half. As you can see, let's consider this one. Half AB into sine of C. Now how do you remember this? So remembering is like this. So basically area of triangle is half product of any two sides. For example, let's say I'm taking side A and side B. So half product of these two sides into sine of what's the angle between them. The angle between side A and B is C. So my area is half AB into sine C. So for example, if instead of A and B you are taking, let's say, side A and C. So you can write half AC into sine of angle between them, that is B. So half AC sine B. So this is how you can find area of triangle, and all these values are equal and is equal to area of the triangle. So this will also be used in sine rule questions. Okay, so let's start solving some questions and see how to apply this. So first question is, a triangle is given, two angles are given, angle B and angle C, and side AB is given. We have to find side AC. So generally what happens is, in sine rule, as you can see, this is a relation between side and angle. So either they will ask for side in the question or they will ask for the angle. So let's try all the questions. So first question, they are asking for the side. So two angles are given, one side is given. So let's first see whether we can apply sine rule in this or not. So let's see. So let's take one side of this triangle, x. So x divided by, now remember, sine of angle opposite to x. Just remember like this, angle opposite to x. So what is the angle opposite to side x? 78. So it is 78 degrees equals to second side, that is 12.3 divided by sine of angle that is opposite to 12.3, that is 75. So obviously we can apply in this, and in this only x is unknown, so obviously we can find it also. Okay, let's find x. So x will be equal to 12.3 times sine of 78 degrees divided by sine of 75 degrees. So x will be equal to, we can use our calculator here. So it will come out to be 12.5 centimeter up to 3 significant figures. So this is my answer. As easy as that. Okay, let's try one more question. Okay, second question. A triangle ABC is given. You can pause this video. All the values are given and what we have to find is also given. This is x. So you can pause this video and try this question yourself also. So ABC, a triangle is given, angle C is given 60, BC is given as 8, AC is given as y. Angle A, that is external angle of this triangle, is given as 145. We need to find x and y. Okay, so what we have to do? Okay, if this angle is 145, this external angle, then I think we can find the internal angle of triangle ABC, that is angle A. So I can write angle BAC plus 145 degrees equals 180. because this is a linear pair or this is a straight line. So obviously whatever angles come in between, the sum, total sum should be 180. So from this, I'm getting my angle BAC, that is angle A of triangle, to be equal to 35 degrees. Okay, so now we know angle A also. Okay, so we know angle A, angle C. We need angle B, that is X. So obviously in a triangle, we know sum of all the angles. Sum of all the internal angles is 180. So from this, I can find my X value also. So my X value is nothing but 180 degrees minus 60 degree minus 35 degree. So X will come out to be, we can use our calculator or you can solve orally also, it will come out to be 85 degrees. So X is nothing but, this angle AB is nothing but 85 degrees. Okay, that's done now. So now we need Y. So for Y, as some angles are given, one side is given, so I think we can apply sine rule here and let's see if we can find side Y. Okay, so Y, let's take the side Y divided by sine of angle opposite to Y. What is the angle opposite to Y? That is X. So sine of 85 degrees is equal to, let's take another side, 8 divided by sine of angle opposite to 8. So angle is 35. So this is 35. So from this, my Y value is coming out to be 8 times sine of 85 degrees divided by sine of 35 degrees. Now we can quickly use our calculators and we will see this value is nothing but 13.9 centimeters. So basically my Y value is coming out to be 13.9. That is my second answer. Okay, so this is how we can apply sine rule. So let's try quickly 1-2 more problems. Okay, now this problem is an important one. First, you can pause this video and try this question yourself also. Now, why is this important is, now just remember this thing. Whenever you are finding angle using sine rule, just be extra cautious and extra careful. Why is that? I will tell you right now. So let's first write the sine rule for this triangle. So let's take one side. Okay, let's take 6. So 6 divided by sine of the opposite angle, that is x degrees, equals other side, that is 4.5 divided by sine of the opposite angle, that is 45 degrees. So from this, I can write sine x as equal to six times sine of 45 degree divided by 4.5. I think there is no problem in this. Up to this point, it's correct. Okay. Now, so what is my x value here? So x value will be sine inverse of 6 times sine of 45 degree divided by 4.5. So we can use our calculator and we will see this value will come out to be, when you will use calculator, this will come out to be 70.5 degrees up to 3 significant figures. Okay. So up to 3 significant figures, we are getting x as 70.5. Now you might be thinking, why is this important? What's the catch here? Now the catch is this. When we get sine x degree as 6 into sine 45 over 4.5, that is this value. So sine x equal to this is possible for multiple angles. One of the angle we can find from the calculator, which is coming out to be 70.5. So there might be some other x values which will give us sine x equal to 6 times sine 45 degree over 4.5. So that's the catch here. So there might be multiple answers. Now, to find the other answer, there are a lot of ways. You can use sine graph, you can use the formula, you can just draw the triangle, and from triangle you can also, I mean, there are two possible values of a. So from that also you can do. So, but what I find the easiest is just remember this thing: theta and 180 degree minus theta gives same sine values. Same sine values. Just remember this. This will do all the tricks. You don't have to do anything else. So it means is whatever value of sine 70.5 degree is will be the same for the angle 180 degree minus 70.5 degrees. So let me first find this. This will be nothing but 109.5 degrees. So the other possible value of x, other possible value of x is 109.5. I hope you understand this. So we have two answers in this case: 70.5 degrees, or x can be 109.5 degrees. Now let me just explain this again in case some student is there who is unable to catch this. Is simple logic. You can use your calculator also right now and see sine of 70.5 degree value is same as sine of 109.5 degrees. So basically it just means there are two possible values of vertex A. So vertex A changes, what happens is the angle A also changes. So this x value also changes. So this is the best way to do this. Otherwise, what you have to do is you have to do graphs. And generally, this is one of the starting topics in trigonometry. And so you don't know much about graphs. So that's why I think this much is more than enough. Okay, let's try one more question on area. So as you can see, we have done some area formula also. Half AB sine C, half AC sine B, half BC sine A. So this is a very straightforward question. A triangle is given, two sides are given 9 and 17, and the angle between these two sides is also given, that is 40. So we have to find area of triangle ABC. That's the question. Okay, so what we will do is we will use the formula that we have learned today, a new formula. So area is equal to half product of two sides. So obviously two sides 9 and 17 are given, so I will use that only. 9 and 17, and the angle between them is 40, so multiply by sine of 40 degrees. So let's use the calculator. You will get 49.2 centimeter square up to 3 significant figures. So that is the area of this triangle. So we no longer have to find area using only half base into height, because most of the times height will not be given. Okay, I hope you understand this, and if you have any doubt or any confusion, you can post it in the comments and I will try to answer that as soon as possible. Thanks for watching STEM Trainers.